Okay, so we're here on the Melbourne Instruments stand back in the hall with Ian and some quite significant updates, I think, you've got on offer.
Hi. So we've got a substantial new upgrade to Nina. So we've added, in addition to the analog oscillators, we've added a mode where you replace the wavetable with the Braids macro oscillator, which was very kindly open sourced by Mutable Instruments for people to use. And so basically what you get is you've got 12 voices, so you've got 12 Braids virtual modules. And then each one of those is jammed down through our analog pipeline into our overdrivable ladder filter, and is fully controlled through the whole modulation matrix, including our morph function in Nina. And what it does is there's 45 or something like that, 40 odd macro oscillators to choose from, and they're a beautifully curated and wonderfully constructed palette of all kinds of sounds. Formanty sounds, FM sounds, to folded wave shapes, things that Nina can't do. It really adds an amazing new palette to the unit. We've had some of our patch designers put together a whole big bank of presets for it, and we're really happy with it. I think it sounds great. And
can we hear a couple of patches?
Yeah. So here we've got you've not heard this kind of sound from Nina before, that's for sure. So it really is a really, really wide palette. You can do kind of crazy, completely non-organic stuff like this, and nice lush pads.
So is it a free update?
And yes, it's a free update, and available on our website right now, including all the patches, melbourneinstruments.com. And we hope all Nina users, present and future ones, really enjoy it. So.
But that's not the only thing you've got to show us. We've got something else, is that right?
No, that's right. We've got a fairly substantial update to, rather famous gentleman here. It's a really cool and much requested feature to Rotor, where we've added, you can see over here, level meters, so that the you've got a VU level meter there with peak hold, stereo on each track. The only track that's playing at the moment is the Coffee Leaf track, but I'll just restart it. But they've got peak hold with the usual same dynamics as the DAW, and this is it's available on all three DAWs we currently support, which is Ableton, Bitwig, and Logic. And you see there when you mute it, they turn into little grey ones, same as Ableton Live. And also another very much requested feature is values that pop up when you adjust it. So as you know, the top knobs are touch sensitive, so if you just want to see the value without affecting it, you can just lightly touch it and it will pop up. Or obviously, as you adjust it, it pops up, shows you the dB, shows you the units and the value. And so that's going up on our website imminently. We're just waiting to finish off the Logic version, and then we are working on Cubase for all those people who've been asking about Cubase, and I can't promise you a date, but coming real soon. It's coming along nicely, so we'll have something up about that.
And again, another free update, so pushing it on.
Absolutely, is another free update.
So quite a lot, you're giving out quite a lot for your customers.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
All right.
Fantastic, thank you.
Okay, thanks.